The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Good Tuesday morning, fellas. Jay, Jim in San Diego. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Kirk, Mike, fellas, very good morning. Paul, good morning. Today is Tuesday, November 30th, last day of the month. And we come into NASDAQ down 77, ES off 40. YM down 373, Russell off 31 handles. Yeah, let the games begin. Crude down another $1.90. Richard, good morning. Guys, very good morning. It doesn't look good. Coming into the session, we've had a few trades on the bots. We had a short on the NASDAQ that got first target only. So first target on the NASDAQ. We had a nice gold short right at 603. Got all three targets. And we currently have, good morning, Chris. We currently have an ES long, which has not gone to target yet or stop. So we'll see what we get there. Morning, Chris. Guys, just looking at NASDAQ, volume is heavy, 133,000 contracts. Again, just to reiterate, we generally come in, we're around 68,000, so we have high volume. We have 35, almost 600 net sellers currently in the NASDAQ. I would expect a bounce if they're going to sell it. I think we sell from higher up. ES also very high volume, 348, almost 49,000. 175 is about average, but we have 5,400 net buyers in the ES currently. Gold, small selling, also on decent volume. Gold is still holding that 82 level. Crude, 1,200 net sellers, heavy volume, 197,000 contracts. I do not think that this is going to last much longer with crude. I think crude is a long-term buy. Good morning, Todd. Natural gas, 1,200 sellers, a little better volume than usual. Copper, call it flat, 9 net sellers. Looks like we're going to trade down to this unfinished auction at 4,300. That would be my target on copper. If you guys trade copper, I think you have a short down to the whole number. Russell getting throttled. Yeah, I still think this is, again, we had 1,000 contract buyer yesterday in the Russell. As I told you yesterday, whomever bought the Russell yesterday is not worried about a 30, 40, 50 point pullback. Anybody that buys 1,000 contracts is in it for the trade. I was able to get out last night with 10 ticks, 10 at 57. If you guys are here on trial, good morning and welcome back. Yesterday was a terrific trade, both with the bots, which finished up very nicely. If you recall, we left with 2 trades on still, the ES, which did go to a loss, and the NASDAQ, which far exceeded all 3 targets. So it actually turned out to be a good day. Order flow was dynamic. U.S. government required disclaimer: futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. Let me just change one thing here, guys. Let me take that off. Hang on, guys. I'm just adjusting the chart. Okay. I need YM to fail right here. It's coming down. If I miss it here, I'll get it again. But we're in shorts everywhere. My final target would be 34,530. NASDAQ came to 95. At 96. NASDAQ below 87 comes down. Russell getting a bid. This is just a pullback. All right, I'll kill this here. Killed YM. I'm watching YM. The YM looks like it's going to get smashed. Short on every time frame. Yes, getting a small bounce. Spain, the latest country limiting flights from South Africa. Gold, if it gets above 96, let me see what that hourly is. Yeah, 90 above 96. It's not much of a move though. Goes to 98. And here this comes back down. Guys, YM is going to come down. Morning, John. If you want to take risk off, feel free to take risk off. That could be. I mean, you've got money in it. Russell came to my target. YM missed my target by a single tick, which to me is nauseating. Well, you've got buyers right in here. 62 to 66. Again, if you guys are short and you want to reduce risk, reduce risk. Got money in it. Come on down. Yeah, ZB bonds are long, fellas. Told you they were long. Anyway, Keith took it. Anybody else take ZB? ZB is above 162.17. 30 seconds. Breaks up big. NASDAQ's coming. I wasn't watching NASDAQ, but NASDAQ's coming. Gold is still hanging in there. Again, fellas, trade him. I don't like this that we've come back up through. I'm out. I'm out. Missed my target by 1 tick. 1 stinking tick. Morning, Greg. I have no interest in a long on YM. None. Got that 95 finally on NASDAQ, but NASDAQ really needs to break down below 80. You might get a long now at 97 back up to 25. I'm not interested in that trade. That was one hell of a bounce off that 51 on crude. Man, it was fast. If you guys want this long, you've got a target at 24, 25. That's gold on the bot. Target 1 filled, gold on the bot. Now it's free. ES still has the long on. If gold gets above 18.016 or 7, I mean, obviously has some work to do. Last week bounce off. Let's see, the 10-year. 10 years long. 10 years long also. ZN on Ninja. Gold on the bot. Still going. Nice job, Sharon. Awesome job. Nice job. Have a good day with your husband. Anybody short copper? Trying to get to this unfinished auction. Come on, Copper. Go get that unfinished auction. Jerking around here. You see long crude? NASDAQ just chopping. Everything's chopping here, guys. You've got a long on crude. If it gets above 67.30, we go. $89 on NASDAQ long. 321, 327, and 335. Maybe 34. What a pathetic pre-market. Cyber Monday sales dropped 1.4% from last year to 10.7 billion, falling for the first time ever. Second target. Yes, this trade is still on. Going nowhere on a 15-minute chart. Got VWAP here, VWAP here, almost VWAP here. Any gas got a bid. I missed that. Natural gas is long. Get out of here. All right, fellas, it's about 9 o'clock. I'm going to take my breakfast break. I shall return. See you guys in about 20 minutes. All right, fellas, I'm back. Guys, we definitely want to buy pullbacks, it looks like, on the NASDAQ on the open. YM's got to get above 850. You have a 34.90. Yeah, I have a 35.036. So we're in the same ballpark. ES looks like it hit first target but did not fill. No other trades while I was gone on the bots, fellas. Anybody have any questions before we go? We still have 7.5 minutes. Anything else, guys? Morning, Jeff. By the way, guys, if you are in order flow group today, I have sent the link as of this morning. If you do not have the link, email me. Morning, Caleb. Nice job, Dan. Yeah, I got out last night at 57. I made 10 ticks. 10 ticks. All that aggravation. 10 ticks. Come on, yes, one more tick. Seriously, 2 more ticks. We should trade to 390 and probably 437 again on NASDAQ. All right, first target hit and filled on the ES. Now she's free. Well, anybody that held it was able to get out last night. Dana, without a loss. I still say watch that 59 area if it gets back up there. That's where those big buyers were last night, 59, 22.59. 60 is still its aggravation. Light crude long still. NASDAQ's bought back a ton. See what we get on the pullback on the open. Down to 1,300 net sellers. All right, guys, just under 3 minutes. If anybody has any questions, holla. Just under 2 minutes, guys. Let's see what we got here, guys. There you go, fellas. Trade them as you see fit. Trade them as you see fit now. Target number 1 for me would be 80. 80. 80. God damn it. You're welcome, Keith. YM went 2. We got 72. Hang on, fellas. Okay. Yeah, I would watch a break of 44, Greg, but unfortunately, my DOM is now frozen. I know. If this doesn't get resolved this week, I'm going to be really pissed. Seriously pissed. It's not my computer. I promise you. It's not my computer. If you guys want to take risk off, take it off. I have a target at actually 87, but guys, I can do nothing. Trade for your accounts, fellas. I am typical. We need to get above 71. Don't know, man. 411. I think we go higher than that. I think 550. 550. I'm still frozen. And I can't do anything with it. Maybe good for me, but I can't do anything with it. Everybody okay this morning? Chicago PMI won't matter back. Let's see here. I don't know what that is. 24S. I don't know what that means, Mimi. There's our 91. There's our 91. I think we trade 423. Always as you see fit, obviously, but I see no reason to be short, guys, this market. I don't know why Ludwig level red is not adjusting. We've been well above it. 35 first target. We should get 37, but I'm trying to get you guys in. And 34.75, 35. We should get it. Should get 35 for target one. Came close, right? 33.5. $17.5 was the entry, Daniel. 17.5. $35 is my first target, but we haven't gotten there. We're down to come on, give me 35. $35 is target one, guys. All buyers. There it is. Got your 35. No, 34.75. Are you kidding me? One tick? One stinking tick? One lousy tick. $5 freaking dollars. Russell went. Come on, NASDAQ. Are you kidding me? 400 buyers in here, back to a green delta, and you can't get 36, 37 and break out? Got to get above 36, which is that 15-minute high. Back to a small negative delta. Come on, give me buyers. Stack buyers. Let's go. Come on. There we go. Give me 35. There we go. You got your 35 target, fellas. Got 35 target. There's target 1. Got to that 37. Gold, I'm not watching. I don't know what the hell he said. Oh, he said it's time to retire the term transitory inflation. We all knew that in the room like 8 months ago when they started with that malarkey. To going to be here longer than we had hoped. And we pulled the wool over your eyes for 8 months, and now we have to clue the American public into the truth. We've lied. Get used to it. From the government, we're here to help. Target 1 only, guys, 37. And I missed a really nice short. NASDAQ shorts, fellas. Short NASDAQ. NASDAQ's going to break down, I believe. We ran into the 100-period moving average. Yeah, it's what it looks like. Here comes the shorts. I'm lagging, guys. I'm lagging. I can tell you that. This is lagging. This is lagging. We're at 40. All right, Jeff. We're at 40. This is lagging. Way lagging. Back to 47. If you're short, 50. I don't know if you're, again, Ninja is doing ninja stuff. Ninja's doing ninja stuff. We're at 39. Pay no attention to my screen. No attention. It's too bad I can't create my own arbitrage. Sell it on Ninja and cover it on TradeStation. We're at 32 if you're short. Anybody short? Bounce into 55. Anybody short? Nobody short. Can you guys hear me? All right, bunch of short. 20 is a target. I'm not sure where we are, but 20 was a target. We have a bot trade. Yeah, no joke, Dale. No joke. That's why I run 2 other platforms simultaneously. We're at 53. I don't care what Ninja tells you or tells me. We're at 50, 49. We're not at 60. 52, 51, 50, 52. We have a short on gold on the bot. Yeah. Well, because the implication is they're going to raise interest rates, right? It's the only way to combat it, right? I think this is trade number 3. It is. Yeah, we're back to 50. 57, 58. It's NASDAQ is a short, guys. It's a short. $61. I mean, this is ridiculous. This platform's, I am not a Ninja ecosystem guy. I am, so I can say what the hell I want. This platform is such bullshit, it defies logic. NASDAQ bounced off London highs 41.75. Now, we came down to NASDAQ came down to 2024. Let me ask you a question, Ray. How many charts are you running, Ray? How many charts? I'm running 48. How many are you running? I guarantee you're not running 48 charts. 24. So half. Right. Now, in Ninja's defense, I am running 3 platforms simultaneously. I'm running Ninja, TradeStation, and TD Ameritrade. I'm also running the webinar, which is a data hog, in their defense. Yeah, on the same PC. Yeah. Yeah, I'm thinking about buying yet another computer. I had this built about a year ago. All right, build me one. Go ahead and do it. Chris, why don't you just fly here and set me up, man? I want to mine for freaking coins like you. I don't even know what I'm doing. I'm a computer illiterate moron. Just come on down and set me up. Whatever you tell me to buy, I'll buy. I'll buy a building to house them. Give my daughter something to do. Get her the hell out of New York City. I have a third floor, which is a finished rockin' basement. Yes, I have nowhere to put computers down there. I've got my workout room is down there. We have a bedroom down there. My game room is down there. And then I have the bar, TV area. I don't have any place to put it. Yeah, I don't either, Greg. Chris, I'm calling you today, man. What happens is with my computer, when the volume spikes like that, is when I get into trouble. NASDAQ is short, guys. I'm just telling you, we're at 47. We are short NASDAQ. The market is not going to like that not transitory comment. Wow, gold. That is a gold is shorts. They decided today that it's not transitory. Prior to today, it was transitory. On what? NASDAQ? If we can break below 318, which is the opening range low, this gets slaughtered. Here is what NASDAQ is wanting to hold. It in the 50 is sloping lower. We're not going to hold it. If you're short 47, it's done. My target would be 288. ES, I don't know. What's the ES? Anybody short 47 on the NASDAQ? You got 20 handles, quick. Anybody short NASDAQ? All right, so here's where we're going to get a bounce. Here's where we're going to get a bounce. Probably at 03. 03. No, we're going to get a bounce at 03. We're breaking the opening range low. Guys, this is a freaking monster. 47 was the short where I gave it to you guys. 47. We're going to bounce 03, 04. That's the bottom of the cloud on the 10-minute. The Treasury may not be able to fund the government past December 15th, according to Yellen. Right. Further fear-mongering. Bunch of idiots. Next, they got to come out and say, if you're retired, you may not get your Social Security check. Those lousy Republicans, they just don't want you to have your money. I'll be right back, guys. We are killing them. Killing them. Nice job, Jay. Back to 3,300 net sellers. Doom. 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 Next target down, 238. We better bounce 240. That's the 21-day moving average. If we don't bounce 240, it is done. Finito. AMC is getting killed. Bitcoin's up 5%. Anybody interested in this? Buy UNG. UNG. For those of you guys that don't know, I spend about $6,000 a year and subscribe to the Bear Traps Report. Here comes gold. They are buying UNG. There's target one on gold. Yeah, this has been a stratospheric dump on gold, and I got none of it. Absolutely none of it. Dollar index has bid. With the economy very strong, it would be appropriate for the Fed to wrap up tapering a few months sooner. We're selling off. Here comes the interest rate hikes. Goldman Sachs came out the other day and said that they are projecting 3 rate hikes in 2022. I wonder where they got that information. I wonder where that came from. Think somebody tipped them off? Yeah, you got to be short Russell. That's nice. Target filled on what? There was nothing in a trade. Oh, copper. Copper finally got target. We're done. Market just blew through the 21-day moving average. Done. I hope you guys are still short. You got over 100 ticks, 100 handles, over 100 handles. Hope you guys are short. Chairman Powell acknowledged speeding up the taper at the next meeting. Interest rate hikes, they a coming. Man, did they just bury everybody at the top. Anybody holding NASDAQ from my 347 short? Anybody holding still? Four cards. Ray, my man. You have a target at 545 on what? Oh, NASDAQ. You're kidding. You're welcome, John. Nice job, fellas. For those of you guys that are holding. Crude is going to sell. Nice job, Mike. Up 1,700. Great job, brother. I don't know how you got down 1,100 to start. Are you doing your own thing there, my man? $589. Nice job, Ray. Nice job. YM is done. YM is headed to 530. 530. UK has found 8 more Omicron cases in England. Volume is enormous, guys. I would not be giving up my NASDAQ, guys, or anybody that's short. I can't do anything. I'm locked. Guys, the bots had one hell of a day. My summary is not updated. Nothing I can do there. I can tell you, I think. No, not really. It's pulling back, actually. All right, fellas, it is 11:02. All right, out of that. All right, let's go over bot trades. My summary is blank. I can't even move it. That's why. Jesus, Ninja. Hang on, guys. I can't even move my summary. So, be that as it may, when I close the room, I'm going to shut Ninja down and reload it. Here is gold. I'll give you totals. On the bot, 3 trades today, all 3 winners in gold. First trade was 603, all 3 targets. Second trade, 824, 2 targets. And then this trade here, 1039. We've exceeded by a mile all 3 targets. That is gold. Here is crude. Crude trade number 1. This is the same signal. So for those of you guys that are watching this, later, or that may be here on trial, that is the same signal. It is not an additional trade. Okay, first target was hit, and then it just took this short. That's trade number 2. Okay, first target at 33 ticks and out. Hang on, guys. I'm shutting. Bots are up $3,360. Let me write that down. 3360. Here is NASDAQ. NASDAQ took this short. This is the only trade NASDAQ took for first target only. 13 handles. Nice job, Daniel. Really nice job. Nice trading. Here is Russell. Russell took 3 trades, 1 losing trade. Trade number 1, winning. Trade number 2, winning. And trade number 3, losing trade. Trade number 3. That's it. Last trade. No more trades on Russell. 3 trades on the Russell. Got that. Oh, ES. And the ES took this long. This was on 7:30 when we came in the room. And it got 2 targets before the Powell debacle. Nice job, Craig. Nice job. I would expect that we get a bid. So again, guys, the bots, I cannot move my summary, and it's blank anyways at the moment. The bots are up $3,360. Guys, I'm going to wrap it up. I have order flow class in about an hour, or under now, 45 minutes. Go Georgia. Hey, Kent. No, that's not the best day. No. The best single day that we ever had with the bots was around 11,000. The best week we've ever had is just over 25,000. But, to generate numbers like that, we need volatility, and we need trades in both directions. Of late, we're averaging 3,300 a week over the last 5 months, almost 6 months, because we're getting mostly trend trades. So if you get taken out on a runner on a pullback, you're done. And if they go another 100 points, you're not in the trade. The bot is not designed to put you back in a trade, right? It's unfortunate, but volatility is great with the bots when we get both sides. Put 10 on with no stop and let it go. Nice. There you go. Guys, have a blessed day. I will see you all tomorrow at 8 a.m. I will see my order flow group in 50 minutes or so, give or take. If you don't have the link, email me. I will see my 1 o'clock group at 1 o'clock, couple hours. And if this volatility continues, this should be a really fun day. Okay? Guys, be blessed.